Hi, I'm Hazel. I've been living in Australia for a while now. My English has improved a lot. At least, that's what I thought. Until one very embarrassing afternoon. Can I please get a regular flat white?
Sure.
Everything was going smoothly. I ordered confidently. I paid confidently. I even smiled confidently.
Here you go. Enjoy your coffee.
You too. Wait, what? Why did I say that? The barista wasn't having a coffee. The barista was working. My brain knew it was wrong, but it was too late. The words, you too, had already escaped. For the next 5 seconds, I replayed the conversation in my head. Maybe he didn't hear me. Maybe I imagined it. Maybe I should move to another city.
Thanks.
And then something surprising happened. He didn't look confused. He didn't laugh. He didn't care. That day, I learned something important. Sometimes we make small mistakes when speaking English. We say the wrong thing. We respond automatically, and then we spend the next hour thinking about it. But most people forget those moments almost immediately. The only person still thinking about it is usually you. So speak, make mistakes, and keep going. Because confidence grows much faster than perfection. I'm Hazel, and I'll see you in the next adventure.